Hi, welcome to Barrick Mitsubishi. My name's Josh and today we're doing a walk around video on this beautiful Toro Rosso Mitsubishi Pajero. It is a 2015 MY16 model. However, when I walk you through all the features, you'll start to notice that there's really not anything different between this one and the 2019 model. It is actually incredible value, and there's a couple of things that actually tell me the previous owners really looked after their vehicle. So starting off at the front, as you can see, first thing that stands out to me is that big IRONMAN bull bar right in the front there. Now, color matches a beautiful Toro Rosso color. It does present really well in the front of the car, and it just gives it a more tough off-road rugged look to the vehicle. We've also got the chrome bars on top of the bull bar, which just contrasts really nicely with the Toro Rosso paintwork. The genuine smoked Pajero bonnet protector on the front there is going to protect the bonnet and the windshield from most stone chips. And on the top of the bull bar here, if we move in a little bit, you can see there are mounting points if you wanted to put a couple of spotlights. And underneath the bull bar as well, there is actually a spot there if you did want to attach a winch to this vehicle as well. The fog lights and indicators are built into the bull bar there, and the headlights themselves, iconic Pajero shape. They haven't changed in years, and it is an incredible vehicle to drive. If we keep panning around, as you can see, the paintwork all the way along the front of the vehicle does present in really good condition. So remarkable Toro Rosso Pajero here. The first alloy wheel, super clean. There is no single mark on it. There's still plenty of tread left in that tire as well. We've got the chrome door handles and side mirrors, and the indicator is built into the side mirror. There's also a side step fitted to help you get in and out, standard across all Pajeros. If we have a look on the inside now, the seat bolsters on the inside do present in really good condition. So the previous owners obviously been very careful getting in and out of their vehicle. If we pan down to the door as well, very minimal scuffs there from where people get lazy and kick their door open. Now, the windows on this are tinted very slightly, and actually no, I don't believe they are. The back ones are privacy glass, so I would highly recommend matching it with the darkest legal tint. We have got the Pajeros, the smoked Pajero weather shields up there as well, so if you did want to put your windows down when it is raining a little bit, you can do so quite comfortably. Paintwork all the way this side of the vehicle, even though it is wet, I can tell you it does present in remarkable condition. That next alloy wheel, again, completely unmarked. Fuel filler cap is on the driver's side. Making our way along to the back now. The great thing about these Pajeros is just how much visibility you actually get in the vehicle. So you've got that massive rear windshield there, and the stoplight is high mounted in that rear windshield as well, and you've got the rear wiper there. We've also got the spoiler up on top of the roof. Now, let's quickly swing the door open to show you inside the back. Now, the great thing about this back seat is it does actually fold in underground, so there is a tow bar in there as well if you did want to fit that at any point. But that back seat, you can either store it under the floor or remove it completely if you wanted to. So very versatile inside that vehicle. Keep making our way along this side of the car now. Paintwork along this side as well does present in remarkable condition. I can't actually fault it even if I am trying to be super picky. That next wheel, once again, completely unmarked. Really good tread left in those tires as well. And fourth and final wheel, not going to spend too much longer on the actual paintwork because the car is pretty much spot on. That next alloy wheel, once again, completely unmarked and plenty of tread in the tire. What we're going to do now is pop the bonnet and have a look at the engine. Taking a look under the bonnet now, what we have is the iconic 4-cylinder 3.2 litre turbo diesel engine that we all know and love in the Pajero range. 5-speed automatic gearbox as well. The power output from this engine is 147 kilowatts, and where this car really stands out is its torque rating. So 441 newton meters will give you a 3-ton tow capacity, which is absolutely amazing for a Pajero. The diesel fuel tank holds 88 litres, giving you a combined fuel consumption of 9 litres per 100 and an average fuel distance, depending on your driving style, of about 978 kilometers from a full tank. Take a look inside the Pajero now. Just on the driver's side door, you do get all your power window controls. The front driver's side is automatic up and down. Above that is your central locking and your window lock button. On the right hand side of the steering wheel here, we've got front and rear fog lights. You've also got a button that lets you fold in the mirrors and the toggle for your power mirrors. On the right hand stalk, you've got your indicators and headlights, and on the left hand side here are all your washer and wiper controls. Now on the steering wheel itself, all your cruise control settings are on the right hand side and all your media controls are on the left. You've also got your hands-free call controls down in the middle of the steering wheel there. On the right hand side here, you do get your traction control button and 2 blank buttons. Now if we pan into the middle, there is this little display up the top which you can change what you see, things like fuel economy, range, speed, altitude, and much more. Down here we do get Mitsubishi's probably best entertainment system so far, still continued into the MY19 models. You do get Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. You also get AM and FM radio and digital radio. You've also got your USB inputs and I believe a HDMI input as well. Yep, which is in the glove box there. Down here you've got your climate control, so just set the temperature with the left control and leave it in auto and the car will regulate the temperature for you. Under here you've got a bit of storage, covered 12-volt socket in there. You've also got your rear diff lock, and the shifter itself, when you bring it down into drive, you can bump it to the right, bump it to the left, into sports mode, and switch through the gears manually. You've also got your super select 4-wheel drive controller here, so you can change your 4-wheel drive setting up to 100 kilometers an hour. You've got a hard handbrake, 2 cup holders, and some more storage there. Now, the great thing about the armrests in these Pajeros is they do slide forward if you needed the extra elbow support there. If you lift it up, it does actually have 2 compartments to it. So, first one you can probably keep a wallet or something while you're driving, and then the second one there is a 12-volt socket just in there. Now, behind the center console, you have got your rear air conditioning vents, and if we just pan around the interior, you will notice that it is in really good condition, so very, very well maintained. There are a couple of minor marks on the roof lining, however, nothing really too concerning there at all. Thank you so much for taking the time out of your day to watch the walk around video on once again the stunning 2015 MY16 Pajero in that beautiful Toro Rosso color. A couple of things I would highly recommend to help you protect your investment is please ask us about the glass coat, because that's going to give you a lifetime warranty on this beautiful color. We'll protect it against various environmental damages such as bird droppings, bat droppings, fading, oxidization, and much more. The other thing is the premium mechanical protection plan. That will give you an extra 5 years of cover on 181 electrical and mechanical components of the vehicle, and up to 10 years of platinum roadside assist and much more included in that plan. It is incredible value and a great way to help you protect your investment, so please make sure you ask us about it. Just before I go, have a look at our Google reviews. 4.8 stars with over 1,000 reviews from customers Australia-wide. So people enjoy dealing with us. We make the process easy, and we like to ensure that you are buying a good quality vehicle from the right people. So if you have any questions, please give us a call on 9907 0555. My name is Josh, and thank you for watching.